Bitcoin is trading around $69,000 right now. With geopolitical tension rising, major token unlocks ahead, and macro uncertainty still in play. This market should not be this stable. So, either we are seeing real strength from smart money, or this is a liquidity set up before bigger move. Today, we are breaking down big Bitcoin macro, Fed expectations, ETF flows, and the key altcoins to watch. Let's get into it. Bitcoin at 69K is not random. It's sitting right below major liquidity. Support areas are 63,000 and 60,000. Resistance areas are 70,000 and 73,000. As long as BTC holds above 68K on daily closes, short-term structure remains bullish. If we lose 63K with volume, 60K becomes very likely. Right now, this is a compression range between 63 and 71K. And compression always leads to expansion. The only question is direction. Now let's zoom out. Markets are currently pricing in potential rate cuts later this year. Bond yields have cooled slightly. The dollar pulls its recent push higher. Risk appetite stabilized. But here is the key. The Fed is still data dependent. If inflation surprises to the upside, risk assets, including crypto, will react immediately. Bitcoin right now is trading more like risk assets than digital gold. So macros still matter. A lot. This is critical. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have changed structure of this market. When we see consistent inflows, price grinds higher. When we see outflows, volatility increases. Right now, flows are relatively balanced, not aggressively bullish, not panic bearish. That's another reason why we didn't dump today. There is no institutional exit happening, and until that changes, downside may remain limited. But if ETFs outflow spikes suddenly, that's when 75K comes fast. Ethereum is trading around $2,050. It's slightly weaker than BTC, but not breaking down. Support areas are 1,950 and 1,850. Resistance areas are 2,250 and 2,400. Ethereum needs a clean reclaim of 2,250 to regain momentum. Otherwise, expect sideways volatility between 2,000 and 2,250. If Bitcoin breaks upwards, Ethereum will likely move faster percentage-wise. If Bitcoin drops, Ethereum will drop harder. I'm not doing a full altcoin breakdown today. That's for a separate video. But two strong names to monitoring. Solana, holding structure while relative to market. And the other one is Avalanche, approaching major technical levels ahead of unlocks pressure. Now, here is the important part. March has multiple large token unlocks across major ecosystems. Unlocks increase circulating supply. Supply pressure create volatility, and historically, price often pump before unlock and then sells off after. So yes, expect manipulation around these events. Not emotionally, structurally. Here is the honest view. If macro remains stable and ETF flows stay neutral, Bitcoin likely tests 71 to 73K. If sudden risk headline or ETF outflows increase, quick move to 60k is very realistic. Right now, this is not a trend breakdown. It's a liquidity battle. No drop today doesn't mean no risk. It means the market is waiting. We have compressed volatility, macro uncertainty, major unlock events, and also institutional flow dependency. That combination creates explosive conditions. Short term, I expect volatility. But the biggest structure is still intact. As long as Bitcoin holds key high time frame support, this remains a corrective phase, not a structural breakdown. Stay disciplined, stay objective, and I'll see you in the next update.